one day he was telling me about a dream he had. He said he dreamt about there was one other Rinpoche, I forget his name, but Tsemtulku said he had this dream about this Rinpoche that they were in a house and there was demons trying to come in, and he asked this Rinpoche help, and they were holding back the door, and finally I believe Song Rinpoche came and chased the demons, and so actually I don't remember much of the dream, but that was very nice. Yeah, it chased all the demons away. And that Rinpoche told him, "Oh yeah, I was a teacher of yours in the past." So he was keeping him safe and alive until he met Kyachi Song Rinpoche. That's good. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
he was keeping him?
Kept him, in that dream, but it could be also in...
Rinpoche said that he was Song Rinpoche's teacher?
Oh, no. That other Rinpoche, I forget his name, yeah, in the dream was keeping the demons at bay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, until Kyachi Song Rinpoche came, and Tsemtulku told this Rinpoche this dream, and so the Rinpoche said, "Oh yeah, I was your teacher in the past." Yeah. Yeah. So.
And I was keeping you safe until you met Song Rinpoche.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I guess. Yeah. It's a wonderful story with a hard beginning, but a very happy.
Yes. Did Rinpoche speak to you very much about Geshe Tsurum Gyaltsen as well? Can you remember him talking about Geshe-la?
Yeah. He was not as much. Yeah, he had a lot of love and good devotion for him, but his big enthusiasm was for Kyachi Song Rinpoche. Yeah.
What did you see that?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
How would you? What would you observe
of his guru devotion?
He had a very perfect good devotion. Never saw faults in any of his gurus. Very good. Yeah. No matter. Yeah, very good. And he would do things to show it also, what teach people what they should do for the guru, and also to remind them about the gratitude they owed to the guru. Yeah.
What was his energy like when he talked about Song Rinpoche? What did you see of him?
Very, very excited. Yeah.
So he would be telling you all this during your trip to India?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did Rinpoche ever tell you how he went to India or why he went to India?
Oh, he went to become ordained. Yeah. And I guess he must have gone to go stay at Ganden also. I forget.
Yes. Did he ever share with you how Song Rinpoche encouraged him to go to Ganden?
I don't remember. Yeah.
No.
Oh, I remember one thing about what he told me about when he got ordained. He was ordained by His Holiness. Yeah. And he said they had to sit so long, and his legs fell asleep, and then he couldn't get back up, and His Holiness was laughing.
He couldn't stand up when he went up?
Yeah, I think he stood up, but then his legs sort of gave out, and His Holiness was laughing at him.
Did you ever remember him later when he was older? talking about Khenso Lobsang Tarchin Rinpoche.
Yeah, always great faith and gratitude. Yeah.
What would he kind of say or talk about with you?
I don't remember the specifics. Yeah, but always faith. Yeah.
Did after I mean, when you were together in India, did Rinpoche like give you advice as to how for Guru devotion or for your practice? Did Rinpoche start to give you advice as well?
Yeah.
Can you remember what kind of advice he gave you?
Yeah. Oh, I remember I was speaking not so greatly of Khenso Rinpoche, and then Rinpoche said, "Oh, you got to have gratitude for him. Look, you're grateful to someone just for holding the door for you. You say thanks. Yeah, so you got to have gratitude for your Lama."
So you went to see the oracle together.
Yeah.
Do you remember, like, can you tell us about the day, that event? How did you end up going?
It was someone in Dharamsala. The oracle was a woman, and the deity was a woman, and it was no big thing. She put on the all the ornaments, and then the monk chanted and invoked the deity, and we asked questions. And, it was very nice. Yeah.
Can you remember what questions were asked at that time?
Janice wanted to know, my daughter, about returning. But I remember the oracle at one time said, "I'm very happy about the offerings you made at the nunnery." And so
okay.
that was, yeah, that was nice. Yeah.
That's the lady oracle, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She was the oracle of one of the. Yeah.
That's part of the trip that you took together.
Yeah, that was in Dharamsala.
Did you go down to Ganden as well?
No.
So it was Delhi, Bodh Gaya, and where else did
Varanasi.
you go? Varanasi
Yeah,
and
we
Nalanda.
Yeah, we stayed in north. I didn't have much time to travel much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where else did you go? What else did you do there?
Oh, we just visited different sites and made offerings. Yeah.
Do you remember in total how long your trip was?
2 weeks total.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes he would yell at the Indian ticket sellers, and I thought that would be nice, but he says you have to yell, otherwise you don't get tickets, or you don't get anything done. That's what stands out. I don't remember what else.
Did he talk much more about how things back home here?
Not so much, no.
No.
Were you surprised that he had tried to run away so many times?
No.
Did you feel that this wasn't his place?
Oh, yeah, just things were so bad at his home, and there's nothing else he could do, really.
Can you tell us what you knew of his parents, Dana and Butcher?
The woman was sort of high-strung, and she was a bit bossy.
Okay.
And how about his father?
He sort of followed his wife more. He was more quiet.
Earlier you said that Rinpoche would go through, for example, a lot of scoldings at home. Do you know if there was also beatings
trying to remember. We believe there must have been because of the degree to which things were going. There must have been, but I don't remember. Yeah, and Rinpoche didn't really complain about his parents. He complained mostly about not being able to come to the temple and not being able to practice Dharma. Yeah.
Did you know that he would sneak out to Rashi Gempeling when he had time?
Yeah.
You knew that?
Yeah.
Would you see him there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Would he be scared to be there in case his parents came?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Did you ever see an incident where his parents caught him at the temple?
No.
You can't remember that?
No. I'm sure that happened when I was not there, when that caused some more trouble at the temple.
Yeah. Did you have any idea what other people in the community may have thought about this Dana and Boris and what they were doing to Rinpoche?
I think most people thought the son should listen to his parents. That's what most people thought. Yeah.
It was actually Rinpoche's father was very close to your uncle, right? Uncle Dorja.
Yeah.
Did Uncle Dorja ever say anything to you about what was going on in the family?
No, he just thought Rinpoche was a bad boy for not listening to his parents. That was the essence of it.
And a lot of the older people thought the same.
Yeah.
Do you know why they thought that way? Is it?
I guess the parents, talking, complaining, and being their friends. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But what did you observe when people said that to you? How would you react, or what would you feel?
Knowing the parents, I thought that it was natural for them to be like that. Yeah. But that they were really wrong.
Can you remember how you may have helped out Bercha to get through these difficult times?
I'm afraid I didn't do as much, but just, I guess, being around when he came and talking together.
Well, it meant very much to Rinpoche. Rinpoche talks a lot about you, so we are very excited to see you. Because he remembers that learning everything he learned and studied, it was with you when he was growing up, you know. And he appreciates Ani-la very much, very much. He remembers Ani-la's kindness a lot. Helped him so much when he was growing up. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Can you share a little bit more what else he may have told you about his guru, Song Rinpoche, and
I don't remember, but I remember they had a very extraordinary relationship, and he was always raving about Kyaji Song Rinpoche, but I don't remember the exact things. He said sometimes when I remember when Kyaji Song Rinpoche was a very great Lama, and lots of people came to hear him. But he said they had secret hand signals they would give each other during the teachings.
Okay.
Kyaji Song Rinpoche would, they would exchange like that.
That's really nice. Nice story.
And then he was. Kyaji Song Rinpoche had his own attendants, but Rinpoche would also be there for everything.
Did he ever talk to you about Ganden, what it was like to be in Ganden?
I don't remember really. Yeah. I don't remember.
Not so much.